Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video we will see how to find the maximum and minimum value of a given matrix. Let's say a matrix, I'll just consider, let's say I'm going to consider the same matrix what I'm using here. So here this matrix I have used, I'll just copy this one. So copy I'm doing, let's say I'll just print it up. I'm going to use AR1. So this is the matrix. In this matrix I want to find the maximum and minimum value of a matrix. Okay, just above this line I want to write a heading, so I'll just press A and create a cell above that matrix, and after that I just want to I want to create a maximum value, maximum. How to create a maximum dot column, I'm going to give maximum. Also you can write, or you can write max, or you can just do it like this and give a colon. So with this what will happen, I'll take it as a markdown and I'll just press enter, the heading will be created. So maximum, how to find the maximum. So I have created an array of 2 dimension. Now I'll just want to choose the maximum value, how to select the maximum value and how to get the maximum value we are going to see. So the array name is ar1 dot max I'm going to write. Okay, so this function will give me the maximum value of the matrix. Okay, a maximum value of an array. So this is a 9. So let's say I want to find the minimum value. So for that ar1 dot minimum I'm going to write. So like this way we can able to find the maximum and minimum of an array. So you can see the maximum is what, 9, and minimum is 1. So let's say in the row wise or the column wise also we can find the maximum and minimum. How to do that? Let's say in the row wise if you want to do, so I'll just give a heading so that will be clear to you when you're going to take it as a notes. So let's say row wise how I'm going to do. Okay, maximum in row, max. So I'll give a heading like this, hash, like max in row. Okay, and colon, and then mark down as a enter. So max in row, we'll see how to do that. So for that what I will do, I'll just write an array because already I have an array. So I'll just print this array, and after that I'll find the max in a row. Okay, so what I will do, ar1 dot max in axis, I have to write axis, and within that axis I need to declare with that axis I need to declare what do I want. So like this equals to, let's say if I write a 0, there are 2 ways to get this one. Okay, if you're writing 0 and axis equals to write 0, the 0 will show it is a column, and that means you find the maximum in column. And if you want to find a row, so you have to write a 1. So 1 indicates for the row. Okay, axis equals to 1 if you give. Okay, so now let's say enter. So this is the maximum row what I'm having, row, that's why I'm writing 1. Let's say if I copy this one and if I just do for a column, so I'll write 0. So in this what we'll do, we'll just add a number. Okay, and after that I will see I want to find the maximum in a column now. So let's say I'll just give like this, and I want to print AR1. So this will print it out. You can see, so it is in the column basically. Okay, the 0 shows a column and 1 shows for the rows. Okay, so in a row we have this one as a maximum row, and the column we have 369. So 1 is for the column, 1 is for the column and 0 is for the rows. So in the above I'll just write it over here. I'll just take a heading and I'll write the syntax for it. So let's say this, what I want to write like this, and I want to write it like this, and I want to write column column equals to what I'm giving 1. So column I'm writing 1, and then I'm writing row again, ROW. This syntax you should be remembered. G. So now for row I will write what, 0. Okay, and I'll give colon for both. for this also and for this also. Okay, this is not taken as a markdown, so I'll just take it as a markdown and you can able to see the working of this. Okay, so column means 1. If you want to find the maximum or minimum in column, so we have to write 1 in axis, and if you want to find the maximum or minimum in rows, you have to write zeros. Getting? So this is how it is working, right? As I've given x is 0, so it is finding the maximum row as I've given max here, and this find the maximum column as I've written 1 here. So let's say find the minimum for this. Let's say AR1 is equals to minimum in axis AXIS is equals to, let's say 0. That means I want to find it for the row first, the minimum in row. Okay, it's not coming. Axis equals to 0, minimum, it's not working here. Let's see what is the problem here. I have seen it has to be not equals to, it has to be 1. Okay, so you can see as a maximum what a minimum row I have received. Let's say if I want to find a minimum column, for that I have to write min AXIS is equals to 1 I'm giving. So now if I'll just do it, I'll find the row again. Okay, it's a column, right? 1 means column, so I got a column here. See, 147 is a column, right? The minimum. I hope you're understanding this one. Okay, so basically if you remember this one, column equals to 1 and row is equals to 0, you can able to deal with this one easily. Okay, I hope you're understanding this one. Okay, now let's say if you want to find the sum of all the elements in the of an array. So how to do that? Let's say AR1 the matrix variable name dot sum I want to do. So I'll just do this one. So sum is what? 45. If you add all these numbers in array, it will give you a 45. This you again can do it for the row and column also, right? So how to do that? Let's see. So AR1 dot sum, I'll give AXIS. For 1 I'm giving, for the column I want to add. You can see easily it's giving, it's added all the columns and giving the answer directly. That's fine. 147. Okay, so the column it's doing. Now let's say 1 2 3 is what? 6 4 6 10 and 15, and 7 8 15 plus 9 24, right? So let's say I want to do it for AR1 dot sum. I want to do it for the column now, sorry, for the row. Okay, you see same it is doing for the row also, right? It has added all the rows. Okay, so individually you can work with row and columns by using axis. So axis is one of the command what we use for working with the rows and columns. And sum. Okay, so you can see sum works on like axis. Okay, retype, out, keep distance, everything we can work with. Okay? In the coming video we're going to work with that also, right? Fine. So I hope you understand this one. Now we will also add this we have seen. Let's see how to find the average mean now. So let's say you want to find the mean. For that what you have to do, you have to take the array. Basically I want to find what mean is equals to np dot mean. Which mean you want to find? I want to find it for AR1. So mean means we know, so I just want to print mean here. So you can see the mean has came. Mean means the average mean, basically we are finding it, right? So let's say we want to find the square root of the function. So for that np dot sqrt and the name, the what name? The array name. It will find the square root of all the elements. Okay, I hope you're understanding this one. Okay, now let's say if you want to find the exponent. So for that again you have function np dot exp. All shortcuts initials we are using, not so difficult. It's exponent. Let's say find the log value, then np dot log AR1. So it's a log value, and if you found the log 10 value, for that again np dot log 10, and then array name. See? And you can also find the standard division using np.std ar1. Yes, so like this all function work, you can able to find the log 10 value, log value, exponent, square root, average, mean, sum of axis, sum of columns, sum of rows, maximum in rows, minimum in rows, minimum in columns. Everything we have seen in this file. In the coming video we are going to work with array sharing. I hope you understood this one. Thank you for watching.